Somebody's crying bolo. Somebody's crying bolo. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Akhirnya kita sampai hotel, Ki. Setelah drama-drama yang ada tadi. Dan sekarang kita mau jalan-jalan.
Mabok.
Kowe wae.
Nyari cewek.
Ya, kita habis ini mau jalan-jalan.
Street, and now we're going to have dinner. We ordered this nasi lemak, a very famous food from Malaysia. This tea, so it's tea with milk, but it's only called tea because the only tea is called T.O. So yeah.
Adel takut kucing.
Gimana sih kucingnya, di mana sih?
Hey. Meong. Hey Adel, nggak boleh gitu. Del. Gratisan ya, Ki?
Gratisannya enak.
Jiwa miskinku bergetar.
Bergetar ini hari.
Tapi aku ini antara yang 96 yang satu kok.
Sekarang kita posisinya ada di KLCC, tepatnya berada di depan dari Twin Tower. Ini kita bakalan foto bareng di mana kelas MBA dan kelas MBIB gitu bareng untuk mengenang kalau ini loh KKL, ini loh kita sampai sini.
Oke.
Lost our gravity, now we're weightless. But I know in my heart we can take this. We got monsters in our closets, had a reason, but we lost it. No direction. We've been calling through the night, through the night. If love is a lie, then why do we need it? We swear we're alive, but we're falling to pieces.
Sekarang kita lagi ada di dataran Merdeka.
So we bury the truth, but I know inside we're
Rip mati.
Ya.
beautiful. We're beautiful creatures. When your highs are low, keep the faith, yeah. had a reason, but we lost it. No direction. We've been calling through the night, through the night. If love is alive, then why do we need it? We swear we're alive, but we're falling to pieces. We fight like lions, we howl at the moon. We should be flying, instead we bury the truth. But I know it's alright. We're beautiful creatures. Beautiful. We're beautiful creatures.
We here at Batu Caves, and there's so many birds, and I'm freaking scared.
I have one bird.
One bird, satu dunia.
One bird.
One bird.
I think you should check your ear. Koyo kak. Aku lagi koyo sini.
Semua pada kecapean. Padahal baru tangga keberapa ini?
Sudah ready Bapak, baru berapa lantai?
Kan kowe. Naik dan ya antrinya kayak gini.